Our team has been working on the components page on our site over the past 4 years, and I managed to rebuild it in AppGen in just about an hour. Hey, my name is Julian, and I work for Memberstack. My job is basically just to make cool stuff for the Webflow community, and one of those things we've been working on for quite a while is a whole bunch of different Webflow components. As you can see here, you can click any one of them, copy it, and paste it straight on your Webflow site. But this page is something that we have been working on over the past 4 or 5 years. And when I say me, I mean myself and a whole bunch of other people and contractors who have joined Memberstack. So what that means is that this page has a lot of stuff on it, whether it's functionality built through Webflow, whether it's a custom embed, whether it's page settings code. And yeah, it's pretty messy at this point. And so when Webflow AppGen came out, I got really excited about being able to rebuild this in a way that is much easier to manage. And it went really well. So all of this I was able to get in about an hour of prompting. And what I'm really happy about is it actually took all of those styles from my Webflow site and added them properly to my AppGen build. I didn't really explain to it how to do that. I'm not very good at using variables and some of the stuff I know it works better with. So it went really well. All of this comes directly from the Webflow CMS. This even works to search anything that I want directly by name. So we've got all of these filters over here, which is super cool, but we also organize things into different UI kits. So if I want to search, for example, invest for the invest kit that we made, we can see right here that all of those are working perfectly. Didn't have to write any code for that. I can take a look at it in different viewpoints, which I did not even ask for, and AppGen knocked that one out for me. So it is a really nice, really performant and responsive page, which can be used. It is completely public now. So this has been a really great experience. I'm excited to kind of build on it more because at the moment, it is basically just a gallery where you can see an image, you can see a tag, and you can hit copy on it. But what I would do in order to make this a little bit better is have it so that you can actually click into the component. It opens a separate page with more information on that, not only for user experience, but also just for SEO so that people can Google our different components and they're going to pop up in search results instead of just this one main page with all the components on it.